right, everybody, we have Card Hamster with 4 boxes of platinum. I mean, I don't mind opening them. Don't get me wrong, I'll open them for you. It's not a problem. I can do it tonight, too. But if you'd prefer it the other way, you know, it'll save me an hour, you know. I don't want you to feel pressured. Dylan Carlson and Luis Patino. Vladito. Derek Jeter. Chris Taylor. Patrick Weekle. Dean Kramer, rookie to 70. Nah, I got you. Don't worry about it. No worries. Bert Blyleven. You're up next after this, but I'll probably break. Sammy Sosa. Otherwise, everything's closed. You know, if I try to take the boys to eat after 8, you know, well, too much after 8. There's only a couple options, but if we wait till after 9, it's like IHOP or bust, you know. Yeah, I got you. No problems. But that's how many boxes we went through. That's a lot of boxes. That is so many boxes. No, don't feel bad. I just got to do it when I come back. That's all. I wasn't planning on doing another break right now anyway, to be honest with you. I was going to stop and do it. That's a nice looking card. Sammy Sosa. Nice color match on the Cubs. Oh, yeah, that would be cool. Well, I mean, sealed case. Do you want to do a sealed case or do you want to do 11 random boxes and then, oh, that's a nice card. Johnny Damon. That's a nice hit right there. Johnny Damon. 299 on the Damon. Nice hit. Card Hamster with a nice hit. Alex Kirilloff. I wonder what the odds are on a Mantle. Is it on here? The odds on a Mantle? It says recreate short print at 11,000. I feel like I've opened 11,000, you know? Mike Trout. Ahmed. I've got a break tonight too, guys, just in case you're wondering. In case you're wondering. In case you're like, is he going to break tonight? All right, I got you. I've actually got it right here. Oh, man, easily. Gio Urshela. I mean, it's 100 packs. It's 96 packs every time I do 4 boxes, you know? And I've done that, wow, a lot of times. This is cool. Cool auto. El Tiante. Yeah, what's a case? 288 packs? And I've done, man, 50 cases? So we've opened twice as many packs. Ah, that's a cool card right there. Hannes. Right. Once I sell all these, I gotta start listing the light box. Clayton Kershaw, I got a lot of light boxes too. Tapia to 99. Taylor Rogers. Tony Gwynn. AJ Pullock. Gary Sheffield. He lives in Tampa. Same block as Dwight Gooden. Which makes sense, they're related, so. Ken Griffey Sr. Yeah, there's some nice stuff, man. All right, we are halfway done with this personal here. Not bad at 7 minutes. I'm flying. I was going to cut that one. I'll wait. Greg Maddux. Paul Molitor, 250. Gold Wave, Paul Molitor. Wow, look at this. Tommy Glavine. A lot of color. Josh Reddick. Ichiro. Neon Dion. Inciarte. D. Strange Gordon. John Means. Nick Anderson. Ooh, wrong pile. All right, see you later, Mustang. Jake the Rake. Aristides. Josh Hader's the auto. He's always got that weird Sanskrit looking auto. That's awesome. Nick Solak. Max Scherzer. All right, guys. One more box and then the dinner break, okay? Taylor, what's up, buddy? You made it just in time for my dinner break. Just made it. This is a nice looking card right there. Ryan Sandberg to 100. It's a cool card. Nice color match. We color matched another Cub just like that earlier. Who was it? I don't remember, but it was cool. Oh, it's Sammy Sosa. Yeah. Al Kaline. Bregman's a cheater. Hey, that's cool, man. That's awesome. Eric Hosmer. So you've got, what is it, 15 of them? Is that right? 5 in each? Or did they only do them Series 2 and update? So just 10. Jose Ramirez to 75. Yeah, 74 out of 75 on the Jose. 89 score. I can't even picture 89 score. I can picture 88 with all the different colored borders. But I can't picture 89. Cal Ripken Jr. Nice refractor. Well centered. Yeah, I remember that now. Yep. Oh, Aramis Ramirez is the auto. Another Cubs auto. George Brett. It's a nice card. Ryan Yarbrough. All right, my friends. That's it for another 5 wide. We've got one more to fill up, and then we've sold more personals tonight. So we're definitely going to do those too. Let me do this recap here for Card Hamster. We've got George Brett, Ramirez, Cal Ripken Jr., Jose Ramirez, Sandberg, Ryan Sandberg, Eric Hosmer, Max Scherzer, Josh Hader, John Means, D. Strange Gordon, Tommy Glavine, Paul Molitor, Greg Maddux, Gary Sheffield, Taylor Rogers, Tapia, Clayton Kershaw, Hannes Wagner, El Tiante, Alex Kirilloff. That's an awesome Johnny Damon. Sammy Sosa, Dean Kramer to 70, and Chris Taylor. All right, I should be back in about an hour or so. We do have a break tonight at 11. Spots are still selling, so please get in that if you can. If you can't, it's no problem. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
This has been a production of CFB TV.